wabarakatuh. First, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Lydia Tista Jayanti. You can call me Lydia. My last ID number is 153. So, this time I will bring you the latest news about COVID-19. Many rumor, one of which is the policy of the government, the Indonesia whatever. Policy is still one of the topic that has been recently discussed by the public. This makes people confused. Moreover, this policy does not favor the handling of the COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesia. Like the guard have started to raise their hand with what is happening in Indonesia. The hashtag Indonesia whatever trending on Twitter and Instagram should get serious attention from the government. The meaning behind the hashtag is disappointment with two things. First, the COVID-19 countermeasure policy is not strict. Second, the behavior of many people who are not disciplined obey health protocol in the middle of a pandemic. DPD Republik Indonesia member from DKI Jakarta, Fahira Idris, state the hashtag Indonesia whatever must be addressed with a strict and consistent countermeasure policy. By doing so, it will encourage the public to be more obedient and disciplined in carrying out policy. In the current life-threatening epidemic situation, public awareness can only be built by strict and consistent policy. Without it, this nation will continue to be in an uncertain situation, and this will be a great loss for us all, Fahira said. According to the Jakarta Senator, the hashtag Indonesia whatever, voiced by many medical workers and COVID-19 volunteers, is a signal for a comprehensive evaluation of the consistent of pandemic control policy in Indonesia. What was voiced by the medical staff and volunteers must be quickly respond and follow up, because those who had been the most understanding of the condition on the ground. The most appropriate way of respecting and appreciating medical personnel and volunteers is a strict and consistent policy, as well as our observance of all implementing the PSBB rules as well as the health protocol, said the Deputy Chair of the Indonesian MPR Study Agency.
And Ulema Council or MUI Muhyiddin Junaidi cited the hashtag of Indonesia whatever viral in cyberspace because many elements of the community were disappointed in the policy taken by the government. He warned it would be fatal if wishy-washy policy continue. All elements of society are disappointed with the government's ambiguous policy and inaction to break the chain of distribution of COVID-19. It is a fatal mistake if wishy-washy and contradictory policies continue to be maintained, he told Republika.co.id. Therefore, Muhyiddin said the MUI urged the government to be serious and focused where all efforts were made to resolve the COVID-19 outbreak. Moreover, according to him, the narrative is at peace with COVID-19 and other narratives that are pro-herd immunity will actually aggravate the national situation. The passion of the people certainly has certain limitation. The government and the House of Representatives and all government apparatus should not play with people's emotion. The government should take a firm, measured and plain attitude in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, he said. Muhyiddin also believed that the government should invite scientists and virologists to talk seriously about the right step toward the COVID-19 pandemic. The government, chaotic police, greatly hurt their feelings and even caused despair. He said that Muhyiddin said is understandable given the government impression of saving the economy more than saving the human soul. MUI remains in principle the principle that saving life takes precedence and priority over saving the economy. Moreover, those who enjoy economic growth are only a handful of people. If the handling of health problem continue with healthcare, it will surely affect the economy of the lower strata of the people. They are the ones who are devastated and devastated. Hungry people tend to be angry and emotional and don't think rationally, he said. Maybe that's all from my video. More or less, I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you. Bye.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.